and we're out and we're parked here. Let me just turn you around. So this place is on the Ullswater, and it's Aerofoils, is it? Aerofoils? Falls? Some waterfall thing somewhere. Anyway, it's a National Trust car park, and we've parked here all night. And I know there's a rule, National Trust is a no-no, but what these guys have done here, and we're spending the night. £10 in the machine and you stay all night, and that's what we did. You don't cover here if you're a National Trust membership to stay here all night, but at 8:30 just stick another day ticket on if you have National Trust. Then you got all day to park here free of charge. And as you probably know, guys, there's a lot to do around on the Lake District, especially in this area. And so looks what we got for our 10 quid a night. So there's a tea room up that way. There's toilets here. Which are now nice and clean because I've already been in it. They were locked up for the night, by the way. There's a tap here. Can we get that in? Have I got that? Don't know if I got that. Am I showing you that, or am I just showing you bricks? Of course, I got my glass on, guys. Of course, this little screen. Anyway, there's an outdoor tap there with various fittings on it, and that's. You see the car park gets pretty busy because you got the guys going out on the surfboards or kayaks, whatever they call them, paddle boards. I don't think anybody's been round here to to check on you. Never heard another car pull up or anything like that once we settle down. So I dare say, just gotta be honest and do it, because there's no registration numbers on the tickets or anything like that. So there you're gonna know whether you've actually done it, unless they come round and check on your window screen. I'd rather just pay my tenner. To be honest with you, I think it's a fantastic idea. We've come and paid. Where we're going to pay tonight, I'm sure we might just go somewhere else, but we're going to go and have a walk. As that guy just said, probably an hour and a half, couple of hours to do a walk up that waterfall. I'll still have the camera in my tripod so you know for a fact I'll be doing some photography. Catch you in a bit. See if Dawn's up. I was here, look. Surprise, surprise. Dawn's having a breakfast with a smile. Guys, catch you later. Okay then, guys, so I'm on this walk to go and find this waterfall. These guys have turned right down there, but we're going to turn left. So there is signs up round here as well for red squirrels. So I guess we'll have to have a look, see if there's any about. Dawn, let's just have a look down here. I'll look back down there afterwards. Oh, funny. So it's absolutely spotless around here, guys, as you'd expect from a National Trust place. Dawn's doing the tripod carrying today. Oh dear me. Okay guys, so we've walked up here to take this waterfall, and as you can see from the sign there, they've got a problem with the ground and they've stopped you going down to get onto the little bridge. So when I come up here a bit further, you'll see there's a guy working on the little bridge, and that's where you need to get to take a photograph coming back up this way to the other bridge, which has got the waterfall on it. Never mind, I'll just show it over the edge of the other bridge so you'll see what we'd have been looking at, maybe. We've got some dappled light coming through as well now, which is fantastic.
Even on the flat surface,
What?
somewhere
Like I said, we've got this light now coming through. We've got some broken blue in the sky. So this is the bridge I wanted to photograph. Like I said, you need to be down on that point. Oh, that way. You need to be on a point down here to photograph back up, and you can't get down there. But the waterfall is there. And like I said, I need to be there to photograph coming back. Okay? I'm sure Dawn will smile. There you go. Oops. Always got a smile. It's a birthday yesterday, guys. That's why we're up here. He's having a birthday week stroke fortnight away in the Lake District. How about that? That's another fall, guys, and that's a long way down into that gully. The dogs come and stood behind me and on the big sun right at the edge. There you go. I will switch it off, I'll catch you in a bit. Nice waterfall here. Oh, nice fall here, guys. Look at that. We need Wellingtons. I'm sure we can get a photograph of that. Dawn's already beating me to it with the camera, with her phone. It'll be all on Facebook before I even took the photograph. So guys, so far this walk's been really worth the trip. And yeah, there's plenty to see up here. Photography wise, there's bits and dabs. This will make nice. It's a pity we couldn't sort of shave some of them rocks off the edge of there, so we've got more of the waterfall. But as it is from here, we'll use this little bit here as a bit of a leading line to out to it, so you've got a bit of foreground interest. Not sure if you can hear me, guys, over this water, over the sound of the water. This is just stunning. Get the right light on here and less people about. I ain't asking for much, am I really? But to be really good. I think we'll just set the camera up and have a go at it. Okay then guys, so we've done that waterfall. And we've done a continuation of the path. And that's going to take us up to Ullswater. Yeah? Yeah. Ullswater, I'm told. Ullswater Summit. So, I'll just flick around and show what I'm just looking at the minute. I'm not really sure how well this camera's pulling that out here. But we can see Ullswater. We can see right down the very end there. That'll be Ullswater sort of village, town centre, whatever you want to call it. Loads of gift shops and stuff down there. So anyway, we're going to get to the summit of this hill, which is quite a bit of a climb at the minute. But from there, I'm hoping I can see a lot more of Ullswater. And see if we can hang about and get some half decent photos. Okay guys, I ain't quite sure what lake that is. That could be Windermere, it could be Windermere is that way. So we've made it. Oh dear. Bit windy up here now guys, all the way up. As we've been coming up, it's not been windy at all. Obviously the mountain what we're on, the hill we're on, was sheltering it. Hard work that was, coming up there with no fresh air hitting you. But still, we're here. So, Ullswater's down that way, I think. And I ain't got a clue what this is here. We'll have a look when we get back on the map. So, what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to find my way to the top of that brick, that hill bit there. So we can see Ullswater, see if we can get a photograph down there. We've got a bit of cloud cover now, so earlier on there was no cloud cover down there and everything was just looked horrible to be fair, but we got a bit of cloud colour coverage with the sun just blipping through here and there, so yeah, we're going to do that. Catch you in a bit. Well guys, the path coming down, come down a different way, seems a lot better than the one what we used to get up there. So if I was to be coming up there again, I think I'd do it in reverse, come up this one and go down the one that we came up. Okay then guys, and we've come off that hill now and just got down onto Lakeside. There's just a couple of photographs around here to do, and then we move on. Cheers. Morning guys. So we've left that car park this morning from at Ullswater. We am still on the Ullswater. Where I'm stood, I'm just doing a bit of photography. It's a little bit dodgy. If I'll just turn you around and show you where I'm at. So I'm right on the side of the road. We want to bend. Like I said, you need to just watch for the cars. But we're photographing this boathouse. The sun's about to come over there at the top, or it's just behind the clouds over the top. It has been putting some nice light on here. It's a little bit breezy. Realistically, if I'm going to be fussy about it, I'd like still waters, so you can get a better reflection of the boathouse. There you go, the sun's popped up proper now. Go split that up guys, let's take some photographs. Well, that sun's on it. So we've got polarizing filter and we've got a 6 stop on it. And what I'm doing, I'm just putting these bits of grasses into the photograph. They're going to be blur because the wind's moving them, but I think that just may add to it. I have took this before, this boathouse. You can see on the back of my camera, that's what we're getting. So we're doing a 20-second exposure, ISO 64, that's f9. And like I said on the photo, if I can just bring the photograph up, there you go. That's the photograph being brought up. It's just making these grasses a little bit blurry, which I do like. So that's it guys. Dawn's on the lay-by, just behind the house. Let me just have a look, see if you can see it from here. So you've crossed the road. There's Dawn, so the lay-by's there. You only got to walk across the road and you got yourself a cracking photo. Or a cracking subject. Make of the photograph as you will, but the subject is lovely. Okay then guys, and that's it for this week. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Please like and subscribe, and we're going to catch you next week. Cheers.